Okay, so the next one is a couch stretch. It's been really good for your quads and your hip flexors again. So you can put one foot on a step. The higher the better, that's fine. And essentially all you're doing is bring one leg up. Now, what I'm doing is the closer I bring my knee towards the step, more of a quad stretch that I'm gonna get here. The fact that this front leg is up and I drive in means I can stretch out my glutes and my hip flexors again as well. Okay, now the better you are at this, you're going to pick this one up. So the progression would be that you'd move to the step to the side or a bench and you bring yourself back a little bit, same again, and you would just use the wall. So the better you are, I would use the wall when I do it. Try and keep it nice and flat, drive my knee back. I'm going to hold the stretch here. So again, the more I lean into the wall, there we go, there's the stretch. All right, so again, for your quads, I'm stretching those hip flexors at the same time. Have a go.